Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete message requests on TikTok. So if you got too many message requests cluttering up your TikTok inbox, let's clean it up. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete them step by step. So first, you can just open your TikTok application. And then just tap on the inbox icon in the bottom right, the bottom of your screen. This one. And now you can just tap on message request if there's any on your so you can scroll down until you find the message request options, such as this one right here. And in here you can just tap and hold the message that you want to remove like this, or you can also click on the three dots icon and tap on select chat. Click on a chat that you want to delete, and here click on delete all. So this is useful if you want to delete more than one message request, and you can just tap on delete all and tap on delete again to confirm. And if it's spam or harassment, you can also block or report the sender too if you want to. If you want to set the manage the message request settings, you can click on this three dots icon at the top and go to settings. Here you can setting your direct messages option. Here you can set the direct message can come from friends only, or no one, or everyone can send you message, or only suggested friends. So you can just set that. You can also enable the read status or not. Here I disable it, and here it is also the safe mode, so that sensitive content in DMs will be hidden unless you choose to view them. So it will filter the message requests. So I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you and your especially if you are on the if you are new on TikTok. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a guide on blocking spam messages. Bye.